There's just something off. I don't know what it is. It looks like a burger. It's chewy like a burger. There's a flavor. I mean, it's hard. It's hard to tell. But there's something there. I mean, it looks like a burger. If I were to say something, it's the yeast. I think is the byproduct. I think that's what it's a byproduct of. There's just a bready. It's like a bready, nutty flavor that's in there. On the grill, tons of salt. Good char. I mean, it's even got. It looks like a little pulled porky in the center. More pulled pork because burgers tend to get real firm but I wouldn't buy them. But if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, this is not bad. Pretty close. Not bad. I have to give it to them. I mean, if somebody offered me this, I'd eat it. Unless there was a real burger. It's okay. It's not bad. Like, I have to commend them. It doesn't taste fake. There's just something not right. It almost tastes like it tastes like a low quality burger. Where it's like, oh, this is just a quick burger, maybe not the best of meat. Like flavor wise, obviously they high quality and whatever they built it on it, but I don't know. It's not unedible. Like, you could eat it. And I don't feel like I'm going to get sick knowing that I'm eating some scientific burger. So, I'd still rather opt for a real burger. I think there's a nuttiness in there. I think there's a nuttiness in this that just... The child is calling. Good though, not bad.